Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Uzaifa and I am going to recite the holy verses from Surah Baqarah 163 and 164. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وإلهكم إله واحد لا إله إلا هو الرحمن الرحيم إن في خلق السماوات والأرض واختلاف الليل والنهار والفلك التي تجري في البحر بما ينفع الناس وما أنزل الله من السماء من ماء فأحيا به الأرض بعد موتها وبث فيها من كل دابة وتصريف الرياح والسحاب المسخر بين السماء والأرض لآيات لقوم يعقلون. صدق الله العظيم. In these verses, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has said that your Allah is one. There is no Allah save Him. He is the most beneficent and merciful. Indeed, in the creation of the heaven and earth, the alternation of the night and the day, the ships which sails through the seas, with that which benefit people, and what Allah has sent down from the heavens of rain, giving life thereby to the earth after its lifelessness, and dispersing therein every moving creature, and directing of the winds and the clouds, control between the heaven and the earth, are signs for a people who use reason. In these verses, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has said that there is no Allah except Him, and there is no God of Him. He is the only beneficent and merciful. He created heaven and earth and the alternation of nights and day, like how the day and night comes, and the ships which sail through the sea, which benefit people, the ships which are moving towards the sea, and the which help people, and what Allah has sent down from the heavens of rain. Every rain control between heaven and earth, and everything used this reason he is the only reason behind it, and there is no God of him. This is all everything said in these verses, and that is it. Sadaqallahu al-Azim. Assalamu alaikum.